Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying new products and also doing a traditional smoky eye look, and watch me beat my face. For primer, I'll be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and Base Adherent and applying that to my face. For foundation, I will be using the Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation in the shade Light Medium 13. Next, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Honey and applying that under my eyes and in my smile line. To highlight my face, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 340. For concealer, I'll be using a Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. To bake my face, I'll be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. contour my face, I will be using the Dragon Beauty face palette, and I will be using these two colors right here together. I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and blend my face in. For eyebrows, I will be using the ABH brow wiz in the color chocolate. Up my eyebrows, I will be using the ABH clear brow gel. And to conceal, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm going back in with my face palette, and I will be using the Femme and putting that in the outer corner of my eye. I'll be taking the Surge color and putting that in the middle of my eye. I'll be going in with that Femme color and blending the browns out. The next thing I will be using is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Matte Max Brown. using next the Dragon Beauty Transformation Face Powder, and I'll be adding brightness under my eyes. Next thing, I'll be taking the Surge color and putting that under my eye. For blush, I'll be using the same palette, the BB Girl, and putting that on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I will be using the Fantasy shade and putting that in the inner corners and my highlighted areas. I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighting Setting Spray. For lashes, I'll be using these beautiful lovelies right here and applying that to my eyes. Next, for mascara, I'll be using a sample size of the Lancome Monster Big mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah.